All right, peeps. Told you guys this was coming eventually. Well, now it's here, starting at a state level, and it will be expanding to a federal level, no doubt. A lot of eyes gonna be on Bobby Gray and this Texit coin, but if you don't know, here you go. The Texas State Securities Board has issued an emergency cease and desist order against Texitcoin, MineTXC, Blockchain Mint, and their founder, Robert J. Gray, for alleged violations of the Texas Securities Act related to the fraudulent offer and sale of cryptocurrency mining investments to Texas residents. Boom. All right, so Bobby still might try to operate, but outside of Texas. But guys, here it is, right? I mean, the SEC is going to be looking at this fairly quickly. The IRS is going to be looking at this very thoroughly. Guys, hey, it's time to exit your campaign. And on that note, hey, the price of Texitcoin took a dip today, got down to 20 cents, guys. Everything that I mentioned to you guys that will be happening to Texitcoin is coming to fruition. Not because I'm the smartest guy in the room. No, none of that. It's just that I have experience in these things. I've seen enough of the games and I know how to call it out when I see it, guys. So it is what it is for you guys that are investors. Hey, I'm sorry for you, but I say get what you can out now. Even now people are dumping. You guys just saw price tank. I think more people are getting word out that this is a trash project, and yeah, I mean, what they gonna do with a scandal? Right? They're supposed to help pump Texitcoin and all this, guys. It's the same Bobby Gray, and I love the statement. This guy's is coming from the government website, so you go out there, check it out yourself, and note the word fraudulent. I'll let you guys read the rest of it. I just wanted to post this out there so that you guys kind of are aware of it, and wait for Team Texit and all those other people that told me I didn't know what I was talking about to chime in and justify that it is still legit. All right, guys, I just wanted to drop this video for you so that you are aware of the latest and greatest. All right, peeps, that's all I got for you in this video, and we will holla on. Hold up. Let me check the mine sales for today. 5 sales. It better not be 6, because they have been issued an emergency cease and desist. And if this number goes up, I even might have to contact the securities in Texas and let them know that Bobby Gray is still selling his scam. All right, peeps, that's all I got for you in this video, and we will holla on the next one. Told y'all to stay in Bitcoin. Peace out.